Apple just picked Google's AI. OpenAI replaced human researchers, and cyber attacks are still leaking millions. This is January 2026. Apple officially partnered with Google Gemini to power the next Siri, a trillion-parameter model built inside Apple's ecosystem. That's not cooperation. That's surrender to better AI. At the same time, OpenAI launched Deep Research, an AI agent that does hours of professional research in minutes. No prompts, no babysitting. This is agentic AI going to work. Governments are reacting fast. The UK just committed £210 million to cybersecurity. New cyber units, new rules, new pressure, because attacks aren't slowing down. Aflac lost 22 million records. ESA leaked 200 gigabytes of data, and 10,000 firewalls are still exposed 5 years later. AI is accelerating defenders and attackers. 2026 is clear. AI is autonomous. AI is enterprise-grade. AI is risky. Follow Wordy for daily AI intelligence that actually matters.